that is one of the landmark songs. Kata Laga, it was glamorous at the time, so plays a very important part in our memories.
हाल फिलहाल एक बहुत बड़ा हादसा हुआ है। देखा जाए तो शिफाली जरीवाला उनकी मौत हो चुकी है। काटा लगा गर्ल एंड द बिग बॉस 13 में वो कंटेस्टेंट रह चुकी हैं। तो व्हाट यू वांट टू से ऑन दिस?
I have my sincere condolences to her family, and may her soul find peace and purpose in the next life. We've growing up, that was one of the landmark songs that we saw. Kata Laga, it was glamorous at the time. So definitely the song and the artist plays a very important part in our memories. It's a sad day for the industry.
वेल क्या उनसे जुड़ी आपने कुछ मेमोरीज हैं या फिर आप कभी उनसे मिले हो?
Sadly I did not have the chance of meeting her or knowing her in person, but I do definitely know of her. Like I said, okay, growing up it was a landmark song, and somewhere you got a little attracted to the glamour side of the industry, and it is one of those songs which introduces you to that side. So it's a sincere thank you from an artist also, that another artist got their attention so much to work in an industry.
वेल बेबी 13 की सेकंड कंटेस्टेंट है। अब इससे पहले सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला थे और अब ये शिफाली जरीवाला हैं। रीज़न क्लियर नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत मिस्टीरियस बताया जा रहा है। समवेयर सम पीपल आर सेइंग कि वो कार्डियक अरेस्ट है, बट कुछ लोगों को उसके लिए भी है। तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इसके बारे में?
I think there are no comments to be made. It's the family is in mourning, and the whole nation is praying for her, and so am I, for her to find peace. And I think that is the only thing that matters right now, nothing else.
बट यू नो मनन, फिटनेस पे भी एक्ट्रेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, बट स्टिल यू नो जो केसेस हैं लाइक डेथ्स को, मतलब व्हाट्स द रीज़न फॉर दैट कि लाइक लोग फिर भी बिकॉज फिटनेस पे हम ध्यान देते हैं बट स्टिल यू नो पीपल आर फेसिंग दैट?
Fitness is a different thing. I feel a lot of industry को सब लोग कहते हैं कि industry people are very fit, and I'm a part of the industry, and there's a difference between aesthetic and there's a difference between being fit, and so I'm just talking in general right now, that fitness is extremely important, and a 60-year-old uncle who is walking in the morning can sometimes be fitter than me who goes to the gym. So I would advise, and I would really urge everyone to be fit in life, and life is unpredictable. We should all enjoy every moment always.